help our students to feel safe to look forwards and lean forwards, okay? But because they need to lean forwards, don't be too close, because otherwise they're going to be leaning into your lap, and then they won't want to lean forwards. So, make sure to move yourself back, okay? From Malasana, we're going to take the knees wide, hands to the floor, bring the hands back, and find your shelf for your knees to rest on your arms. Then I'm going to come in, give some space, bring my hands underneath the shoulders. I'm going to look forwards, lean forwards, allow them to come forwards, and I'm holding Catherine nice and strong. And you can sort of look from the side that you've allowed them to come forwards enough. All right, woo! And then release.